What's going on, fellas, ladies, gentlemen, little cats and dogs? It's Big Sammy at y'all. Got the 2245. Let's do a safety check. Let's clear it. Make sure there ain't nothing in it. Yep, nothing in it. No magazine. We're good to go. I wanted to show you guys real quick what we bought for it, what came in the mail today. It is a venom by Vortex, 3 MOA. There is where it's the part number. There's a part number just in case you may want to get one yourself. It has got an unlimited lifetime unconditional warranty. So if you run it over, break it, anything else, they will cover it, send you another one. There's some stats on it, kind of what it comes with. There's the look of it, and that's what it looks like on a generic gun. Anyways, if you guys open it up, they got some tools. Let's see, some tools here. Little screwdriver, both sides, windage. You got some extra screws here for your rail. We also have a instruction book. We have a cleaning cloth and some extra screws and another Allen key. But that's all that come in the box. It's all that come in the box, and like I said, we're gonna look at how to put this thing on real quick. I'm sorry I already have it on, but oh, and it's got a rubber cover here, by the way. But this is what you look for. And the reason why I bought the Vortex is just to let you guys know it actually come from Palmetto Armory, and it got a $90 off coupon. So $249 or $249, I think it was $259. Sorry, $259. Got it with a coupon. Taxes and shipping was about $170 out the door, delivered to the house. All right, so two pieces. It comes with an optic here. There's a mounting slide mount for your Ruger, or if you have a Picatinny rail on your gun already. Let's just take this one off. Show you guys real quick. Really easy to take this on and off. So there you go. There's your little mount right there. Like I said, it comes separated together. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a little separation right here. Two screws at the top. When you put it on there, there's your battery. So pretty much what you do is you could put it all together like this, and then put it on your gun. Like I said, it just depends on how you like to do things in your life. You may want it, close to the front. You may want to do like most people, normal people, and put it towards the back, like say so. Give it everything like a little, snug tightening. Don't get on it too hard because it's a aircraft aluminum. Sorry. There is your, like I said, right here is your battery. And it's really easy, like literally the cover, when you come, you just take the cover off with your little screwdriver, put your battery in. Instructions to tell you which way you put it, up or down, and then you screw it on there. And when you get all that on there, there's your elevation and your windage on the side of your gun right there. Oh, sorry, your optic. Let's turn it on and show you guys what it looks like. Let's see if we can get this thing to work for the camera. And just to let you guys know, to make it work, there you go. There's your little dot. Don't look too good on camera, but I tell you, it does look nice. You go right here, up and down. It will let you make it as bright as you want, or as dim as you want. To turn it off, you press this down. Let's show you. Press it down, hold it for 5 seconds, and voila, gone. And that's how you turn it off. dust cover to keep it, you know, from getting dusty and nasty. And you might say, well, why did you go with this, Sammy? Like I said, most optics, you can run optic from $50 to, you know, $400. This one was a really good optic, and I think for this gun, I just Googled, you know, what optics are good for a 22-45 or a Ruger Lite, and this was one of them that came up. Halo Sun was one of them. This one was one of them, and there was a few other ones, but they all ranged in different prices. The Halo Sun was about $300 at my local gun shop down the road. $300. Like I said, I got this one and pretty much got it for half price. If you guys are looking at the gun and it's your first time being here, we have put a charging ring on the back. Tandem Cross carries that stuff. There you go, TK right there. Compensator. I've got under $100 in these two little parts here. Under $150. We bought the gun on sale at Palmetto Armory July 4th, 2022. And I think we got this one for, usually they're about $600. So I think we got this one shipping and everything else about $550. So $550, $650, $700, $800. $800 in our gun so far. We're going to put one trigger, like a Vortex trigger on it, just to, you know, make it a little nicer. And I think that's going to be good for what we're looking. If you guys are looking for a nice light weapon, like I said, plenty of upgrades you can do to this. I mean, if you guys look for the Ruger Mark Series stuff, you can find things for these little guns. Like they got, oh man, all kinds of stuff. But anyways, if you guys have got any questions, if we can answer any of them for you, send me a message, leave a comment, say, hey, I need to know about this. We'll respond to you. I'll try to shoot you in the right direction where to go get one of these optics. And like I said, don't get paid or don't make any money off these guys. But so far, so good. We're going to take it to the range one more time, zero it in, and see how we're going to like it. And I'm sure it'll be good, like I said, for our fun little plinker. All right, well, we appreciate y'all coming by. Thanks for stopping by, and like, subscribe, share this video if you got somebody that's wanting to do a build and they're trying to figure out some good options to do. All right, we appreciate y'all. Big Sammy, peace.